everyone, and welcome to this annual event of the IMI under the theme of helping media fight misinformation and restore the public's trust.
Who would have thought that organizing an event during a pandemic would be such a wild ride? But seeing all of you here this afternoon, I remember why we did it.
The goal is to help media companies meet the challenges of digital society.
What happened is that already during the Cambridge Analytica scandal, I was thinking very much about circulation of information over networks.
So the main focus of our research was to analyze the news practices of young audiences.
I'm a PhD student here at EPFL, and I'm really excited to tell you a bit about our initiative called Media Observatory.
I'm very pleased and honored to be presenting in front of you today our project, which aimed at helping journalists identify expert knowledge in real time.
So the main idea of the project #SAD, a design of a smart assistant that could help find your way inside a social network.
We are very pleased to show you a little bit of what we've done with the trustable original journalistic content.
Who has never chosen a press article according to the media that publish it?
And so now we can really open our work towards a new generation of indicator and have much stronger impact for the future for media. Thank you very much.
I think it's great to see all those different approaches, very different approaches from one to the other.
To see all those projects of people that collaborate together for the same goal is, for me, what has been the strong point from this event.
I think it would be very interesting for local press to be able to use that technology and that knowledge for the future.
It is quite inspiring because it gives us journalists access to resources and to competence we don't necessarily have.
For me, what is very important is to make some connection between social sciences and engineering and informatics and so on.
We all tackle the same issue but from different standpoints. And one of the issues that kept coming back is how do you include experts into the different topics? And what we did is include the experts. So we can see that we can have a lot of synergy with different projects that are like social media projects or building different news environments, and we can really add our own brick to this system. So it was really exciting to see this, actually.
I think it's very interesting to combine the two worlds, and we see here some projects that really address the key issues of the two worlds, but it takes time to increase the culture and to cross-fertilize our practice, and I think it will be really beneficial for both of us.